Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information, how to get Pip Hunter, how to join the Easy Forex group, how to join the Pip Hunter group, and all the other relevant information should all be in the link below. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to show you how you can make $50 to $100 an hour trading US30. That is an index. Some people call it indices as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I managed to obtain this money on my live account, which I will show the live account at the end of the video. So yeah, let's head straight over to the charts and let's get into it. Okay, so the indicators I have on here is the Pip Hunter baseline overlay, which turns the alligator from red to green. And it has the stars, the chop filter, the plus. It has a load of things in there. All of the information on Pip Hunter and what it does is in the Zoom room in the Pip Hunter group. And I've also got the Momentum Extreme here, the Trend Scout here, and I've got a TDI. I've got my session box indicator that works as well. That tells me Asian session. You can see the A there. I've got London session, which is blue, and I've got New York session, which is yellow. There's actually a border around it, but we're in the past, so you won't see the border yet. So let me just explain to you here. So what's happened is I've deposited money into my account. I've seen that price is respecting this yellow line, which I drew here. I've seen that price is not breaking this yellow line. And what price went on to do is to go on to sell. The reason why I knew it was going to sell is because I've looked at my Pip Hunter baseline. I can see it's very thin here, meaning a breakout is going to come soon. And I can see the white line crossed over my yellow line here. You see the yellow line here. This is my slow MA, the yellow line, and the fast MA. So similar to my first video, which I'll link here with the TDI 2 and 7 cross, which is also down here as well. It's the same thing. I'm still using the same thing with just a better setup. The white line pushing price down, the yellow line coming this way as well. So it's spreading out for the sell. And I've managed to get my sell in here and enter this trade to get it down to around about here. And notice how this trade happened in the start of New York session. Like I always tell people to trade with the wave strategy, trade either in London or trade in New York. Forget Asian session, London or New York. And New York was our move that day. Okay, so as you can see here, this was New York session again. I have a buy that I placed going up. There was a doji reversal here. The TDI crossed up. New York had just started. And I also had a key level once again here that was marked out, where I checked to the left of me and I could see price here was just hovering around this point before it broke out previously. So when it sold here, I knew that, okay, this is possibly a level where price will stop. If it's going to continue, it'll break and drop through there. If not, it will reject. And that's exactly what happened here. Price came to here, rejected, and then started to buy up. And that's why I put my buy in here. And I let the trade run and I caught the trade up to about here. I didn't trade it all the way up. I just got what I needed and got out. Now, as you can see here, same thing happened again. Came into New York session. And what happened here? I could see I drew a trend line. I could see price was not breaking the lowest low out of London session. So when it came in here, what happened is Pip Hunter was getting ready to cross over. I saw there was a candle here that formed. The TDI crossed, bullish. It also created a little W here, I can see, and this was the second leg. It was actually a divergence W that was formed. And I've just managed to catch it right here, and I caught NFP going all the way up. So yeah, that pretty much breaks it down. That's how I've caught these trades. I'm going to hopefully be doing some of these where you actually see me showing you. I'm going to enter this trade, and this is where I see it going to because of how I've drawn it up. And I'm going to show you the profits after. So that's where I'm going to get to. That's what I call phase 2 of YouTube. First, it was teaching people how to trade, teaching them strategies as well. Now it's going more into live trades. I'm doing most of these trades in my group as well for currency pairs. For the mentorship and VIP, what I'm doing is I'm calling out US30 in that alone. And in the mentorship group, there's going to be a signal group in there as well, just to get you all hyped up for that as well, because that's coming at the end of the month where there will be stop loss levels, take profit, 1, 2, what you've always been asking me for. Finally, it's coming. So if there is any questions or comments, please put them below. Join the group, get in there, and I help out as much as I can. Don't expect me to trade your account for you because that ain't gonna happen. Please don't ask me to trade your account or drop me 3-4 signals, please, bro. Please, yeah. I'm trying just like everybody else, yeah. I'm spending a lot of time doing this and helping people as much as I possibly can. Yeah, that wraps it up. I hope you guys and girls like this one. Hit me up if you need me. Join the group. Peace. So as you can see here, balance was at 200. You can see this as well. These are the trades that I took. You can see when the entry time was, which says 16:36. That's GMT time for me. You can also see where the exit time was at 17:23. So that was within 1 hour. You can see here as well again, 15:16 and then 15:34 within 1 hour. That was in about 20 minutes that trade took place. Even here again, you can see this one here. When did it take place? So I wasn't even in this trade for 15 minutes and I managed to get that. Even another one here that I've had wasn't even in that trade for more than 15 minutes. So yeah, it just shows you it's possible to be able to do it. And just to show us a live account, you can see it's a live account right there.